Ineos is a company not known for making cars. It's a company that makes a variety of chemicals for countries all over the globe in a wide array of markets and capacities. And soon, it will also be known for selling a boxy off-roader packing BMW power. The Ineos Grenadier has clearly taken its design cues from something familiar. In fact, the head of Ineos wanted to buy the rights to keep making the classic Defender. Land Rover said, no thanks to that, so the man went off and said, fine, I'll build my own version, and here it is. The outside has strong looks that include both Defender lines and some G-Class-esque bits, but overall it's a pretty cool looking rig. In fact, fans of the older Defender who don't exactly love the new one might be all about the Grenadier. Ineos uses a 3-liter BMW inline 6 under the hood. That's backed up by a ZF8 speed and a real deal transfer case. In fact, Ineos isn't messing around with the off-road hardware. It's working with automotive powerhouse Magna-Steyr, which has helped build the Mercedes G-Class since a version entered civilian life back in 1979. They've also helped Jeep Grand Cherokees climb things, Pinzgauers go anywhere, and more. With the Grenadier, Ineos is basically looking to offer an old-school style of SUV with modern underpinnings. And I'm here for that. I love boxy SUVs myself, as I've got an old Japanese one parked right outside right now. But I'd also love for that old Montero to have some modern might under the hood, and I'd also love to someday own an old Defender. Ineos should capture the hearts and minds and wallets of people who are thinking the same way. The Grenadier enters production this summer at a factory in France, and then hopefully we see it land in the US market sometime in late 2023 or early 2024. I have no clue how much it will cost, but early word on the street says it should be under $75,000. How far under? That remains to be seen. I keep wanting to say Grenadier.